Namaste, Yogi Veerindragi. This is Dr. Satyanarayana. What your expectations from your side? You want to become Prime Minister or President of India or a Nobel laureate?
Hi, Dr. Satyanarayana, you have asked very important questions. Dear friends, I have tried to meditate upon, contemplate on, and come to the conclusion that a true person will be the servant of the mankind. A wise man will be loving everyone like his own soul. So I want to be a person who loves everyone, not only mankind, but birds, beasts, animal, plants, cattle, including human beings. Because this earth planet belongs to everyone. Mother Earth is for everyone. As human beings are very intelligent, they have commanded control, time and space, and they are dictating the whole earth. They are killing the innocent birds, beasts, animals to gratify their selfish end. I don't want anything like that. Because even the innocent creatures, they have to be free. As my best friend Abraham Lincoln gave the right of equality to the blacks, Emancipation Proclamation, and there was a war between the North and the South. The Gettysburg Address he put when soldiers were killed in that civil war. I want to fight like Abraham Lincoln for the equality of every creature on earth. That's my really dream, desire and aspirations and expectations. I want to fight for everyone. I want to fight for helpless creatures. And I want to influence people that don't be greedy, don't be selfish, don't live for yourself. As you are a yogi, you know Sanatana Dharma, Atma Vatsar Bhutesu. Every creature has similar feelings. Generate that feeling in your mind, heart and soul, and try to love everyone, care for everyone, share every possessions of yours for the happiness for everybody on the planet Earth. Point one, this is my expectations from me. To be a very kind, to be a very generous, to be a selfless person who follows the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, philanthropic personality. I may not be the richest king or queens, but I can be the poorest Buddha who has renounced the world and has got enlightenment to know that we are short-lived. We should not harm and hurt anyone, even to the most helpless creatures. Non-violent way of living life. That's my expectations from me. And I expect the Prime Minister of India and all the heads of the states of the countries all over the world on the planet Earth should also do that. They should not misuse the natural resources for their favor, in their favor for the family, for their self-gratification, but for every human being, for every citizen, for every creature on earth. Second, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Everyone has to be happy. And as being human being, we have the intelligence. We have to ensure that the corrupt, impure people and human beings who really prey on like lions and tigers on the innocent creatures, they should be stopped. They are robbing, looting, murdering, hunting the innocent creatures. It should be stopped. I can't do it. I have tried to influence the heads of the states all over the world. Protect those innocent creatures. They have our similar feelings. And the third point what I want to emphasize, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole earth is our family. This is not that your wife, your children, and your few dogs and few pets are only yours. The whole world is your family, doctor. So we have to treat the entire earth as our own family. As my guru and guide and best friend, Swami Vivekananda addressed to the World Religious of Parliament, sisters and brothers of America. What do you mean? The world is one. We are family members. Love each other. Because just now you were telling me one beautiful story. Death closes all. Tell me, Dr. Satyanarayana.
Death closes all.
But something at the end.
But something at the end.
Some noble note.
of noble nod.
May it be done.
May it be done.
Let me repeat. Death closes all, but something at the end, some work of noble note may be done. Not unbecoming manhood strove with gods. The light begin to twinkle from the rocks. The long day wends, the slow moon climbs, and deep moans sound with many voices. Means all of us are going to pass away. Sooner or later, we don't know when death will snatch us. So always meditate upon being a kind person, a compassionate person. Why these people are fighting? Why they are destroying the country? Why your India was for thousands of years left? Selfish people fighting among themselves. And they destroy the Indian civilizations. External people came, aggressors, robbers, dacoits, terrorists, looted, murdered, raped the Indian women. And these people were fighting and supporting the aggressors just to defeat their own brothers and sisters. Today is also happening. Look at the idiot, one person called Rahul Gandhi. He is criticizing India every time. He's supporting China. He's supporting Nepal. He's supporting Pakistan because he hates Modi. He wants to become Prime Minister. I don't want anything. I want nothing. I want India to be secure. I want China to be wise. I want Pakistan to be a peaceful nation. All have to learn to live in harmony. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.